Cloudy and rainy conditions appear today in central parts of the country. The daytime temperatures did not rise too much. The temperature in Seoul rose up to only 26 degrees Celsius, which is about 4 degrees lower than yesterday. It will be hotter tomorrow all over the country. Until tomorrow morning, gusty winds will blow around the eastern parts of Gangwon-do Province. There will be places with strong winds of more than 15 meters per second. In Daejeon and Jeju Island will receive frequent rain until Saturday. Tomorrow morning will start cool with Seoul and Daejeon at 16 degrees, Gwangju at 17 degrees. Daily highs will move up to 29 degrees in Seoul, Daejeon and Gwangju, 31 degrees in Daegu and Gyeongju. There is rain forecast starting from the Chungcheong-do provinces and southern regions on Friday and spreading to the whole country on Saturday. That's all for Korea. Here are the weather conditions around the world.